You're listening to That Home Loan Hub. I'm Zibuni Salimova, here to make home loans and property investing simple, smart and stress-free. Let's get you closer to your property dreams. Kia ora and welcome back to the show on how to refix your mortgage in smart way in 2025. This is the expanded version of the previous recording that I've done. A lot of you reached out to me after the checklist episode that I've done, wanting for me to expand a little bit more in detail. So, hey, if you haven't listened to that one, go back and listen to the checklist for the refix. And if you want that checklist, please let me know. We'll send you one. So let's dive in. Today's episode is for everyone with a mortgage or thinking about one. We're talking about refixing your mortgage in 2025 and how to do it in a smart way. If your fixed rate is ending or you're floating and wondering what to do next, this is your checklist, your guide, your behind the scenes insight from someone who's walking this journey every day with clients just like you. First, let's talk timing. Do you know the exact date your fixed term ends? I've seen it too many times. Someone misses that date and suddenly they're on floating rate around 8% without even realizing. That can mean hundreds of dollars more per fortnight in repayments. So step one, pull out your loan statement or log into your app or message your bank and find that exact expiry date. Don't wait until the last minute. Give yourself and us at least 6 to 8 weeks to explore options. Next, what is your bank offering? Often they'll suggest a default refix option. But let me tell you, that's not always the best offer. Some lenders quietly give better rates to those who ask or to brokers like me who negotiate for you. So don't just click accept, ask questions and compare. I get it. Rates have been high, headlines are scary, and no one wants surprise bills. But please, don't fix your mortgage out of fear. Ask yourself, are interest rates expected to rise or fall over the next 12 months? Do I need certainty in my budget, or can I handle a little flexibility? Am I planning any big life changes, like a move or a baby or renovation? In 2025, many economists are predicting that rates will start to drop slowly. And so far, we have seen some drops already. So locking in a long-term fix at the top of the market could actually cost you more overall. Instead, more of my clients are choosing 1 or 2 year fixes, keeping it short, riding the wave, and leaving the door open for lower rates later on. But again, get a personalized advice for your situation, because not everyone's situation is the same. Now, the common question we get asked, should I split the loan? This is one of my favorite ones. Let's say you've got a mortgage of $600,000. Instead of fixing it all for 2 years, you could fix $300 for 1 year and fix the other for 2 years. Why would I do that, you might ask? Because it reduces the risk. Half of your loan comes up for review sooner, so you can respond to market changes. It's like hedging your bets. It also helps with budgeting. Your repayments are staggered and you don't lock everything in at today's highest rate. And we've seen it happen before in 2025 when a lot of people were still locked in for a 5-year rate or even a 10-year rate at that time. So when the low rates have hit, they were struggling to break their bigger loans to move on to the smaller rates. The bank won't always tell you this. Here is something not every bank will tell you. You can negotiate. Even if you're not switching lenders, you can ask your bank for a better interest rate, a cashback for loyalty, or a lower fee for early switching or break costs. And as a mortgage advisor, I do this negotiating for you. You don't have to go and do it alone. So before you say yes to your bank's offer, shop around or talk to someone who can shop for you. And look, let's run through a quick checklist before you lock in your new rate. 1. What's your current financial situation? Has your income changed? Any new expenses on the horizon, like the school fees, health bills, or job shifts? 2. Do you have a rainy day buffer? If rates stay high for another year, can you still manage repayments comfortably? 3. Are you planning anything big? Renovation, a new baby, selling your home? All of this can affect how long you should fix. 4. Have you compared lender offers? Don't just look at interest rates. Look at fees, cashback, flexibility, and how easy they are to deal with. And 5. What's your risk comfort? Are you someone who likes peace of mind and fixed repayments? Or can you handle a bit of rate fluctuations to save long term? And if you want this checklist in writing, head to the show notes or message me. I've made a free printable version for you to use. Now look, refixing isn't just a one-click decision. It's a chance to reset your mortgage strategy. Take the time, get the advice, and don't be afraid to challenge what your bank suggests. Your mortgage is likely your biggest financial commitment. So let's make sure it's working for you, not just at you. And remember, I do this every day with people just like you. You're not alone. If you're feeling unsure, send me a message. I'm here to help. And don't forget that every fortnight on a Thursday, I run a webinar. So if you want to hear more, comment webinar and I'll send you the link. Thank you. Until next time. And that's a wrap on That Home Loan Hub. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me next time for more property tips and tricks. Your next smart move starts here.